Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add in a new credit card detail for Safari autofill form on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Safari. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on autofill, then tap on save credit cards. Next, tap on add credit card, and from here you can use the camera to scan for your credit card details, or you can manually put it in. So here, put in the name and then put in the card number. So my card number is 601111111117. I think that's too many, so we'll go back a little bit. Sorry, go back a little bit. That's too many numbers. So 611 and then 7. So that's my credit card number, and my the expiration date is 1st of 26, and the security code is 456. And then tap on done, and that's it. So now I have added in my Discover card, and that's it. That is how you can add in a new credit card details into your device. And after that, when you need to autofill your credit card details, you can use one of the credit cards in the list here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.